because of changes in command structure to the PNP in Cebu City. Mayor Tomas Osmeña announced that he will no longer going to be directly on the anti-drug program last July, and now, he also announced that no more SINULOG sa KABATAAN competition. Cebu City Mayor Tomas Osmeña has stopped the holding of the SINULOG sa KABATAAN next year because this has been getting out of hand. He has also barred public schools from sending contingents to the SINULOG Grand Parade. He announced the change in the SINULOG 2017 activities in a press conference yesterday before he left for the United States for his annual medical checkup. The SINULOG sa KABATAAN is held a weekend before the solemn procession and Grand Parade, and is exclusively participated by public schools in Cebu City and Cebu Province. Only the winners of the two-day parade join the Grand Parade. But this will no longer be the case starting 2017. I want to make this announcement early because this has been getting out of hand, he told reporters. He said he is announcing this 4 months before the annual SINULOG celebration so that schools will not start raising funds or disrupting classes of the students for their dance practices. The mayor said public schools spend as much as $1.5 million each for their contingent. He said the students practice at night and this disturbs classes of the night high schools. Who are the models of the slope? You know? The night high school students who are trying to study, or the other people out in the street making noise so that these people cannot study? He asked. If the schools decide to directly join the SINULOG Grand Parade, Osmeña said they will also be barred from doing so. No list off. Out. No participation at all in any shape or form. I don't like to give them any excuse that they will have to raise money and practice and disturb classes and disturb their own schedule. Osmeña said his decision is final. No more motion for reconsideration. Clear. Definite. 100%. There will be no SINULOG sa KABATAAN next year. Every SINULOG sa KABATAAN, the top 5 winners from the elementary and secondary division for public schools in the city and the province get slots in the SINULOG Grand Parade. This means that next year's Grand Parade will have 20 fewer dancing contingents. This will leave the out-of-town contingents dominating the Grand Parade. Osmeña welcomed this since it will shorten the Grand Parade. He wants the event to end by 4:30 p.m. instead of the usual 9 p.m. closing performance, as what happened in the previous SINULOG celebrations. This will reduce and be able to help control peace and order if it ends early. We cannot stop everything, but it will reduce, he said. Since the event will end early, there will be no grand fireworks display at the Cebu City Sports Center. The fireworks display at the Cebu Business Park and other malls can continue, he said, since these do not contribute to the rowdiness during the SINULOG. Will the cancellation of the SINULOG sa KABATAAN be permanent? Osmeña said the 2017 event will have to be assessed first. SINULOG Foundation Incorporated, SFI, Executive Director Ricky Ballesteros said they will talk to the mayor when Osmeña comes back from his U.S. trip and convince him of the need for the SINULOG sa KABATAAN. We rarely see contingents composed of old people. Most of the dancers are the youngsters, the students. You rarely see a contingent that doesn't have young dancers, even those from out of town, he said. With fewer contingents, the grandiosity of SINULOG is diminished, he said. But we'll retain the real essence of the SINULOG, which is devotion to our senior slope, he said.
Hindi po niya yung personal. That is government resources. The government resources are intended for the benefit of the people of Cebu. Pag ihinto niya yan, well, as I've said, siya may complete control niya dahil he is the local chief executive. But, alam niyo na, what will happen to Cebu kung magkulang ang suporta sa itong kapulisan. So I am addressing this to all Cebu City Police Office personnel. Huwag kayong malungkuran. Kung ayaw na magsuporta sa inyo ng local chief executive nyo, continue the fight. We can do it. We can do it. We will survive. Hindi po naman dinidisregard yung importance ng kanyang support. We really need that. We really need that. So sana, maintindihan ni Mayor Osmeña yung aming pangangailangan sa kanya. We really need him very badly. Ipangtanggal na mo ang imong city director, ang imong mga pulis na na-identify sa illegal drug trade. Pagkahan na ito, wala na itong cover-cover. So, pasensya na. Inani ka tininood ang among kumbate karon. So, pasensya na, sir. In as much I want to please you, but we have a job to do. Sana sabtan minimum. We really need you. Please don't abandon us in this fight. We really need you. But kung di rin nakagusto mong suporta sa mga, what can we do? We will survive. I think na may ibang mga groups, mga businessmen na gusto mo tapang. So dito may mga itang suporta kung di na ka mo suporta sa among kapulisan. But again, I am pleading you. I am pleading your indulgence. Kaloy itaw ni mong kapulisan. They are not your enemies. They are your people. Pasensya lang kung na ako nahimo nga kasuko nimo, kapangluod nimo. But we have to do this very